Welcome to a point of view test drive video on the Volvo XC60. So, give you a quick look around it. Now, one of the weak points of this car is, in fact, its boot. May seem a reasonable size, but it's smaller than that of an Audi Q5 and a BMW X3. And as you can see, there's no real place to store the parcel shelf. You think you might be able to do it under here, but no, you can't. Anyways, shut that up. Back seats though, really spacious. Really spacious. This is the Inscription Pro model, so it's range topping car, so you get fine Nappa leather on the seats. Definitely get this car with the light interior. It does mark, but you get some special wipes. I think they're in here, look at this. So, there we go, look. Special cream leather wipes for the seats, and they'll have it looking like new in no time at all. And it does just make it feel posh. Love the steering wheel in this car and how you start it. Twist that little knob, put it into drive, and off we go. So this one has the digital dials. Like I said, it's the range topping car, but all models get this infotainment screen here. It's generally easy to use, but being a touch screen, it's not as easy as the swivel wheel systems you can get from like BMW. And the Navi is only okay. Sometimes the traffic updates on it aren't that accurate. Now, one thing to notice about this car is the diesel engine can be a bit raucous, the 2-litre diesel. Getting 2 power outputs, this is the D5, the more powerful one, with 225 horsepower, but you don't really need that. Just get the one with 190 horsepower, it's easily quick enough. The car itself, it's a relaxing car. It goes for comfort over sportiness. Doesn't mean that it handles badly, it's just a relaxing, easy, light steering feeling car. Doesn't have the sporty edge of something like a BMW X3, but if that doesn't bother you, you will not care. Now this one is fitted with the optional air suspension. So I've got it in comfort mode, but I can press a button. Come on, let's go for sport. That's dynamic, isn't it? Bring it to dynamic, can you see that? Into dynamic, and it stiffens things up, improves the throttle response, and it improves the response of the gearbox. So when you put your foot down, it does respond. When you put the car into comfort mode, which is how you're going to drive it most of the time. Let's be honest, you can have it in comfort mode. When you put your foot down, the gearbox can be quite slow, so sometimes you pull out a junction, you're left floundering. It does roll a little bit in the corners, but it deals with bumps nicely. You know, that's a trade-off. And it's a Volvo, you're not supposed to be racing around. It's just relaxing, being sensible, being grown up. And it's a very nice environment to sit in. Look at it. I love the design. Out of all these kind of mid-sized premium SUVs, I think this one has the nicest interior design. Maybe doesn't feel quite as posh or sturdy as well screwed together as the German stuff, but it's so close. It's very difficult to fault it really. The quality is pretty nice. There's no reason not to buy it over the instead of the Germans. It's a lovely car. It's got some cool features as well. This one's got piloted assist, so it's like cruise control. I'll put the cruise control on, set the speed there, and see that little marker there? I can alter the distance of the car in front by pressing this button. There we go. And if I press another button, it'll actually do steering, so it'll steer to keep me in lane, so you can just relax and the car takes most of the strain out of your journey. You do have to keep your hands on the wheel when it's doing that system, but yeah, it does. It just makes your life a lot easier. It's a nice car. It's a very nice car. Volvo done a cracking job on it. Like I say, this is the range topping version, the Inscription Pro, so it has got all the bells and whistles. So, lovely. Just got to remember where the heck I put the key. There, hidden away, this rather swish centre console. So, if you want to compare prices on this car, please click on the pop-out banner or on the link below the video to go to carwow.co.uk, and you can save like around £5,000 or something like this. Inscription Pro version of the Volvo XC60. Hope you enjoyed the ride, and don't forget to click on the video windows for more content on this car.